Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Afana and my student number A1212042. So here I will answer some question related to methods for methods of TEFL for young learners. The one is, how does the child effectively learn? Based on my observation, child will be effectively learn by exploring everything in their environment because they have a big curiosity, and they also really can learn so well by using song. It is because they rely on their listening skills to remember the material that really given by the teacher. And then the second question is, how can adults support and facilitate the child learning? The one is provide stimulating and novel resources and experiences related to children interest to encourage their engagement. And then uh, allows children to exercise choices over their activities, and then setting their own goals and methods, in ensuring children have the time and freedom to be deeply involved involved in their activities. And then the third question is, what environment condition that can support and facilitate the child learning? I think children age 1 until 12 years really like to do play activities for learning. Therefore, in my opinion, a suitable environment that can support and facilitate young learner is a fun environment, because they can explore more deeply to complete their curiosity, like what I said in answer question number one, that they really have big curiosity. Even they in senior or junior or senior high school, they still have curiosity about something in their environment. And then we must ensure that they enjoy this learning, so that learning outcomes can be maximized. And then the last question is, what reason for using song, stories, and games for teaching and learning young learner? I think using song, it must be a really methods or really media that which really liked by the students, because song have rhythm, and it can be easy for young learners to remember something or contain the material if the material if we provide the material by the song. And then for the stories, because stories have uh, their plot, and then they have some them, and it must be makes students really happy, because if the stories have them that related to to their environment or their activities, daily life, it must be happy uh, to learn something that related to your daily life. And then for games, like what I said before, that students, young learners that really like games or play in their environment. So I think it can be a reason why games can be a suitable method to young learners. And I think games it also have some formula to reach their own goal. So they must to using their brain, and it must be fun, I think. So that's all my answer. I ended. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.